How to fix auto advance issue in PowerPoint. If your PowerPoint slides are switching automatically when you don't want them to, or if they refuse to advance automatically during a presentation, in this video I'll show you how to fix this. We'll adjust slide transition timings, toggle automatic slideshow settings, and clear recorded rehearsal timers. Alright, so first, let me show you how to check the transition settings that control whether slides stand manually or on a timer. So just open up your presentation, then press Ctrl A or Windows to select all your slides at once. Go up to the Transitions tab and click on it. Look over to the far right into the timing group right here. If you want full manual control, untick After right here and ensure that this on mouse click is checked. Or if your slides aren't advancing automatically, you tick After and then set your desired timer and click Apply to All right here with this button. Next, what if your slides keep auto-advancing at weird, uneven intervals despite your transition settings? You likely have a hidden rehearsed timings saved in your deck. So go up to the Slideshow tab, which is right here, this one. Then click Set Up Slideshow right here. Then look under the Advanced Slides section right here. And then choose manually to disable all auto-advancing across the entire file, or select using timings if present if you want automated playback. Also make sure use timings in the ribbon is unticked if you want to bypass saved rehearsal markers entirely. And that's all there is to it. Your slides will now advance exactly when and how you want them to. Enjoy!